Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. Today we are presenting a new video in front of you. In this video we will discuss how to set up TP-Link RE815XE Wi-Fi range extender using the Tether app. If you're tired with the weak Wi-Fi signal, then this setup video is really helpful for you. So watch this video till the end. Without wasting any time, let's start the setup video. First of all, unbox the TP-Link RE815XE extender box. Inside the TP-Link RE815XE extender box, you'll find the Wi-Fi 6E range extender, a quick installation guide, and a power adapter, if required for your region. The extender itself has built-in antennas and a gigabit Ethernet port for wired connections. Now download the Tether app. Android users go to the Google Play and iOS users go to the App Store. Place the RE815XE near your router and plug it into a power outlet. Wait for the power LED to turn solid. Now open your phone's Wi-Fi settings. Connect to the default TP-Link network, e.g., TP-Link_extender. Log in with your TP-Link ID or create an account if you don't have one. The app will detect your RE815XE automatically. Tap to begin the setup. Select your main Wi-Fi network from the list and enter the Wi-Fi password. Choose whether to use the same Wi-Fi name, SSID, or create a new extended network name. The extender will save the settings and restart automatically. Once restarted, the app will show a successful connection message. Unplug the extender and move it to a location between your router and the weak Wi-Fi area. Ensure the Wi-Fi LED is green, strong signal. If the LED is red, move the extender closer to the router. Open the Tether app to check the extender's status. Connect your devices to the extended network and test your internet speed. So now setup is complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.